Hello, good evening, students. So, on that day, we have completed the saturated, unsaturated, and we are telling about the naming of IUPAC nomenclature. Before starting the IUPAC nomenclature, I will tell you that hydrocarbon, two types. One is saturated, second is unsaturated. Saturated, alkanes are coming, means anes things are coming. In this one, ene and ine is coming. Okay, beta. Let's see one example here. For an example, I am going to do that. One example only I will tell to you. If I have making here carbon like this, and I have put it here hydrogen. Please beta listen it very carefully. Okay, so we are saying meth for the one carbon, eth for the two carbon. So it is said to be the eth. Okay, single bond is present, it means ethane. Okay, now what I have done, same formula, I have removed this hydrogen and this one hydrogen from here. Any side you can remove the hydrogen, and this two hydrogen is removed and it form a one bond here, means two hydrogen will remove and forming a one bond. Now what will happen, double is there, it is a meth eth, eth is here, but double bond it is said to be ene, ethene. Okay, now again what I have done, I have taken this hydrogen and this hydrogen and I have removed this hydrogen. When I have removed these two hydrogen and it form a again single bond, so what will happen, C triple bond C H and here H. So what it form, it form ethine. Okay, it is according to your carbon we are giving the names, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, decane, nano, like this. Okay beta, these things is over. After this, let's we start some dot structure diagram. Okay, dot structure. Okay beta, please don't be confused in this dot structure diagram. In a dot structure I have done like I am using here one carbon and one carbon. So this one carbon electronic configuration is 2 and 4, 6 atomic number, C6, this is the atomic number, electronic configuration 2 4, 4 is the last one side. So here what we will do, 1 2 3 and 4. Fine, understood? For this one, 1 2 3 4, this is of carbon. Now on this carbon hydrogen is also be placed. On this one side hydrogen here, here. Fine. Now hydrogen atomic number is 1. So here hydrogen atomic number will also be there. So this is the hydrogen atomic number. Beta, it is not there, cut it. Okay, this one. Hydrogen, this one side, hydrogen here, hydrogen this one bond, this one dot, hydrogen dot, and this is carbon and this is hydrogen dot. Okay, now we have to add and we have to find that how the structure formation takes place. So structure formula will form. Let's see. This forming a single bond, these two join, this hydrogen will join, this will join, this will join, this, We can make it like this. C, single bond C, H, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. So this is a dot structure. Understood? So what is the name of this one? C2H6. It is said to be ethane. Fine. Now second one we will take. Second one is carbon we have taken. Next carbon we have taken. Carbon again 4 will come at the last one side. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen will also be there. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 1, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Now, will you able to see, actually we know that here we are making a double bond. So it is our mind, we will use how we have to put the dots so that it not create a problem for us. Double bond. Here we will add this thing, add this and this. So we can write like this. C double bond C, H here, H on this one side, H and H. Understood? So what we are saying for this one, double bond is there, 2 carbons are there, it means it is ethene. What it is? Ethene. Now you understood the dot structure. Now next we will take a third one. In a third one we are using triple bond. If we are using a triple bond, it means only a one H will come. So triple bond, carbon 4 is their electronic configuration. So what we will do, one carbon here, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here I have taken a hydrogen. Hydrogen here 1 and this one hydrogen 1. Okay. Now these 3 are here. So beta again I am saying, actually use your mind that where you have to put a dot. Okay. As I have put it like this dot, it means it will not form a 3 bonds. So it is up to us that how we are using and how we are making these dots. 1, 2, 3. Fine. This bond will join with this dot will join with this. And we can write it as C triple bond C, H and H. So this is said to be C2H2 and we can say ethine. Understood, students? It is said to be ethine. Now, next is one alkyl group. Important one or 2 marks question will come in alkyl group. In an alkyl group, what will happen? There is a removal of one hydrogen. One hydrogen will remove. That is an alkyl group. Like, if we have taken a methane here 4 hydrogen will take place. But what will happen? Only 3 will take place. Here no. That's why here we can say not methane, we can say methyl group. Because one hydrogen is not present. Second, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This no hydrogen. It means it is an ethyl group. Next one we will take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we are putting hydrogen, 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 and this is left. Methane, ethane, propane means propyl. Okay, this is the alkyl group. Understood, beta? What is this? This is the alkyl group. Today we are completing till here dot structures and alkyl group. Various dot structures diagrams are there in your book, and various points are written, diagrams are there, structures are there. Those all things you have to write it in your copies. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.